Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home appliances. In today's video, we will be comparing the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT. We will be evaluating these products in separate categories to help you make an informed decision on which one to buy. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you own either of these products, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. When it comes to price, the Nuwave Brio air fryer is available at a more affordable price point of $99 compared to the Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT, which retails for $149. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT takes the lead here with its 26-quart, 25-liter capacity that can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. The Nuwave Brio air fryer has a smaller capacity but has a reversible rack for multi-layer cooking. Both products offer multiple cooking functions such as air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, and toasting. However, the Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT has more than 12 functions, including the ability to save preferred time and temperature combinations. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT takes the lead with its VSync app that allows you to control the oven with your smartphone or voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Nuwave Brio air fryer, on the other hand, relies on its intuitive digital controls that are easy to operate. Both products offer rapid heat circulation for faster and even cooking. However, the Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT boasts up to 85% less fat than traditionally deep-fried food, making it a healthier option. There you have it. We hope this video has helped you decide on which air fryer meets your needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you own either of these products, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.